Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add reminder to Outlook.com. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left hand column and you're going to tap on To Do. Once you have selected To Do, you'll be directed to this page. And from here, you can simply add the task that you want to get the reminder for, or you could tap on Tasks. Once you have selected the task, you are going to tap on it. And after tapping on it, you will see some menu options pop up on the right hand column. And you are going to tap on Remind Me. And from here, you can select the time. For example, you could pick a date and time, as you can see right here. Or you can tap on one of the suggested times. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.